In today's video, we will see why you need to buy at least one BTC now. Bitcoin accounts for about $156.7 billion of the world's money. You don't need to be part of an exclusive club to buy it. However, you should consider the best time to buy Bitcoin so that you can get the best deal. If you know when to buy Bitcoin, you can get it at a better exchange rate than if you bought it at a different time. Like stocks on the stock market, the value of Bitcoin can change throughout the day. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Firstly, let's discuss the history of Bitcoin. Since its inception, Bitcoin was the first digital asset to beget the current ecosystem of cryptos. The release of the white paper describing the tech just after the 2008 financial crisis was a quiet start to the cryptocurrency revolution. For quite a while, it grew an underground following of investors who saw its future as a possible replacement to the physical monetary system. Now Bitcoin has become a household name as institutions and governments develop ways to serve their customers' growing demand for exposure. Similar to how the internet was once a speculative investment, Bitcoin has received similar criticism. In reality, Bitcoin's current adoption rate outpaces that of the internet's in 1998, and millions of people now own Bitcoin. And the spread at which its adoption is spreading seems to only be increasing. In 2021, El Salvador became the first country in the world to make Bitcoin a legal tender. Paraguay and other small countries look to follow suit. El Salvador is also the first and only country to have Bitcoin in its treasury. As of late 2022, El Salvador has roughly 2,400 Bitcoin. President Nayib Bukele has not been shy about announcing his purchases on Twitter. Now, is Bitcoin a good investment despite the risk? Similar to any speculative investment, buying Bitcoin obviously carries significant risk. As the traditional finance world realizes Bitcoin's potential for disruption, it must choose either to adopt cryptocurrencies or face irrelevance. Its volatility risk is one of the major factors determining whether Bitcoin is a good investment, but it isn't necessarily good or bad. The personal decision to invest in Bitcoin comes down to your appetite for risk and your perspective on the future of humanity. For example, Russia has stated they are looking into cryptocurrencies to lower their dependence on the US dollar. Bitcoin has the potential to disrupt the US dollar in a massive way, and it is simply too big to be ignored at this point. If this disruption is successful, Bitcoin could be a fantastic investment. The main reason a traditional investor may want exposure to Bitcoin is to hedge against inflation and potentially the collapse of the fiat-based economy. Bitcoin's volatility is a concern to many investors. However, volatility is expected to decrease forever as institutions and governments enter the market with long-term interest. Now you must be thinking, where to invest in Bitcoin? Bitcoin is available from a multitude of centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. The safest exchanges are US-based, which also means you'll need to comply with the SEC Know Your Customer (KIC) guidelines. For tax purposes, making an exchange account will require inputting your personal information, including your address and social security number. Once you got this handy, you're ready to get started. Here are the steps to invest in Bitcoin. Open an account with a cryptocurrency exchange. Connect a bank account and deposit funds into your exchange wallet. Buy Bitcoin BTC. Buy a wallet optional. Number 1. eToro. Trade popular cryptocurrencies. Explore professionally managed portfolios and connect with traders. eToro currently supports the purchase and sale of several popular cryptocurrencies. Check out the list of some of the more popular assets available to trade on eToro. Number 2. Uphold. Uphold is one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges available right now. It offers an incredible variety of tradable assets, including more than 200 digital currencies. It also offers precious metals trading, all on the same platform. If that wasn't enough, it also has a fantastic staking feature where you can stake a wide variety of different cryptos with some of the highest rates on the market. Number 3. Bitcoin IRA. Bitcoin IRA proprietary platform enables you to self-trade crypto anytime, so you can take action right when the market moves. Here's how it works. Create an account. Get your customized dashboard and digital wallet after you create an account. Fund your account, access live pricing, and learn more with a knowledge base. Transfer funds. Transfer your IRA in 3 easy steps. Simply tell us how much you want to invest, how you want to fund your account, and your profile information. Most accounts will be ready to trade in just 3 to 5 days. Start trading. Trade digital assets inside your self-directed retirement account using our proprietary platform. Buy, sell, or swap anytime, anywhere by visiting the self-trading area within your dashboard. Number 4. Public.com. Public.com is a fantastic trading platform with an incredible variety of tradable assets, low fees, and a great user interface. Public offers fee-free trading with more than 9,000 stocks and ETF and reasonable fees on crypto and alternative assets trading. Public doesn't have the same expansive support for cryptos as it does stocks and ETF. However, it does support a vast majority of the largest and most popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Cardano, Solana, Polygon, and many more. Advantages of Bitcoin investments. The overwhelming performance of Bitcoin as a currency and investment has attracted traditional and institutional investors alike. They are all asking, is Bitcoin a good investment? To be fair, it offers you several advantages over traditional investments. Liquidity. Bitcoin is arguably one of the most liquid investment assets due to the worldwide establishment of trading platforms, exchanges, and online brokerages. You can easily trade Bitcoin for cash or assets like gold instantly with incredibly low fees. The high liquidity associated with Bitcoin makes it a potentially great investment vessel if you're looking for short-term profit. Digital currencies may also be a long-term investment due to their high market demand. Lower inflation risk. Unlike world currencies, which are regulated by their governments, Bitcoin is nearly immune to hyperinflation. It still undergoes inflation, but at a predictable rate that is halved every 4 years. The blockchain system is infinite, and there's little need to worry about your cryptos losing their value. New opportunities. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading is relatively young. New coins are becoming mainstream on a daily basis. This newness brings unpredictable swings in price and volatility, which may create opportunities for massive gains. Minimalistic trading. Stock trading can be a tedious process covered in red tape and can only be done during specific market hours. You must also go through a broker to trade a company's shares. But Bitcoin trading is minimalistic. Simply buy or sell Bitcoin from exchanges whenever you want, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Bitcoin transactions are also instant, unlike the settlement of stock trading orders, which could take days or weeks. Disadvantages of Bitcoin investments. Bitcoin may be the future of monetary exchange, but it is equally important that you are aware of the concerns surrounding cryptocurrency investing. Listed below are a few things that could make Bitcoin a bad investment. Balancing the pros and cons is often the most important thing an investor can do. Volatility. The price of Bitcoin is always rippling back and forth. If you happen to buy Bitcoin on December 17, 2017, the price was $20,000. Weeks later, you couldn't sell your investment for more than $7,051. While you'd be doing great now, holding for years at a time is not a viable option for all investors. Threat of hacking. While Bitcoin's blockchain has never been hacked, individuals can still get hacked if they give out sensitive information, such as their private keys. Also, it's not uncommon for lesser-known exchanges to be hacked. For best security, use a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X that stores your digital assets off the internet on an external device. So, is Bitcoin a good investment? With institutions adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets and El Salvador officially making Bitcoin legal tender, it's looking like Bitcoin could be the future of currency, or at least an accepted store of value. However, with so much volatility in the market, risk-averse investors are still hesitant to buy Bitcoin, much less any other cryptocurrency. Since Bitcoin isn't controlled by a central entity, its monetary policy is much more sound than any government. ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood describes Bitcoin as a rules-based monetary system, as Bitcoin's monetary policy is set by the parameters of the code. With governments printing out more money than ever before in light of the pandemic, investors are looking for alternative investments to hedge against inflation. Many are turning to Bitcoin to do so, facilitating adoption of cryptocurrency over the long term. Is Bitcoin a good investment? It can be, so long as you do your research and invest wisely. Investors might, however, turn Bitcoin into a bad investment if they try to treat it like any other asset. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.